In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Zoho CRM. To get started, log into your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before you begin, since this helps avoid making changes in the wrong account. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Setup icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Zoho keeps most of the system's settings, integrations, and configuration options. After the setup page opens, find the Marketplace section. In that section, click All so you can view the available apps and integrations. This area lets you connect Zoho CRM with third-party tools, and in this case, we're looking for Zoom. Now go to the search field in the top right area of the Marketplace page and type in Zoom. From the search results, find the Zoom app and select it. This will open the app's information page where you can review the integration details before turning it on. Once you're on that page, click Activate. At this point, a confirmation window will appear. Take a moment to review the information shown on the screen so you understand what's being enabled. Then check the box to agree to the terms of service and click Activate again to continue. This extra confirmation step is normal and helps make sure the integration is being enabled intentionally. Next, a pop-up will appear from the top of the screen. In that pop-up, select Zoom, then click Enable. This final step completes the connection process between Zoom and Zoho CRM. Once enabled, the integration should be active and ready to use. If you don't immediately see the change reflected, give the page a moment to refresh or reload the section if needed. It's also a good idea to make sure your browser allows pop-ups during this process, since some of the activation windows may not appear properly if pop-ups are blocked. And that's it. You've successfully linked Zoom to Zoho CRM. This is a quick setup, but it can be really useful if you want your meeting workflow to connect more smoothly with your CRM environment. Thanks for watching.